moments later.
What do you mean got get into left feet? Shooting me glares from the passenger seat. Come on baby, we got all dressed up. Would you dance with me?
Hello everyone, my name is XI.Majapahit. I am treasurer.
Hello everyone, my name is XI and I am the class president.
Hello brother and sister and my teacher. My name is Sandika Tiruputramala and I am member against.
Hello everyone, my name is XI.Majapahit and I'm the member favor.
Everyone, my name is Muhammad Jackson and I was the secretary.
A few moments later.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning!
Thank you for staying after class. I called this meeting because our classroom is very hot.
I feel the same every day.
The classroom becomes hotter in the afternoon.
Yes, the weather is very hot this day.
Many students have also complained about it.
Some of our classmates suggest buying an air conditioner.
I think that is a good idea.
I also think it is a good idea.
I think we shall discuss it first.
Yes, we should listen to everyone's opinion.
Yeah. Why do you agree?
I agree because the classroom is uncomfortable. I cannot focus when the weather is too hot. Sometimes I feel tired during the class. A cooler classroom will help us learn better.
Thank you, yeah. Lovely. What do you think?
I agree, yeah. The heat makes it difficult to concentrate. Some students even ask us as fans. We deserve a comfortable classroom.
Thank you for your opinion. Charlie, what is your opinion?
I don't completely agree and our tuition is very expensive. Our class hall is not enough. We also need money for other activities.
That's a good point. Mesha, what do you think?
I agree with Zali. Doing an essay is not the only cost. We must also pay the electricity. The AC also needs maintenance.
Thank you for your explanation. Yesterday, I checked our class fund.
How much money do we have?
We only have a small amount.
It is enough to buy an AC.
No, it is not enough.
That is why I disagree.
We should not spend all our money.
I understand that.
I understand too.
So, we need another solution.
I have an idea.
Please tell us.
Every student can contribute a little money.
I agree with that idea. Small contribution can become large amount.
I disagree.
Why do you disagree?
Some students may not be able to pay.
I agree with Zaldi. We should not force anyone.
We need a fair solution.
I have another idea.
What is it?
We can ask the school for help.
I agree.
I also agree.
That sounds better.
We can write a proposal.
We can explain why we need an AC.
We can mention the hot classroom.
We can also include photos.
That will make our proposal stronger.
What if the school cannot help us?
Then we should organize fundraising.
I agree with that idea.
What kind of fundraising?
We can sell snacks.
We can sell cold drinks.
We can also sell homemade food.
A good idea.
We can organize a class bazaar.
We can invite other class.
We can promote it on social media.
More visitors mean more money.
Excellent ideas. We need teamwork.
I can make the proposal.
I can design the poster.
I can calculate the budget.
I can organize the fundraising team.
Everyone,
We should work together.
Teamwork is very important.
I agree.
I agree too.
do you still disagree with buying an AC?
No, I don't. I only disagree with the payment method.
I understand now.
I understand too.
We all want the same thing.
Yes, we all want a better classroom.
We just have different opinions.
That is normal.
Discussing together help us find solution.
I completely agree.
So, our final decision is clear.
We will write a proposal.
We will organize fundraising.
We will not force anyone to pay.
Everyone can help in different ways.
I'm happy we reached an agreement.
I hope we can buy the AC soon.
I hope our classroom becomes more comfortable.
I hope our plan is successful.
Thank you for the listening to every opinion.
Thank you everyone for your ideas and cooperation.
Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're